Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math School Learn to Succeed. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SLC Insert Math. In today's video, let us solve the example number 10 from chapter 10 quadratic equations. In my previous videos, I have given the introduction to solution of a quadratic equation by completing a square and quadratic formula. If you have not watched that videos, please find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So before we begin our video today, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC Insert Math. Example number 10 from chapter 10 quadratic equation says solve the question number 2 first part of exercise 10.1 by using the quadratic formula. So this is the example number 10 question and they're asking us to solve the question number 2 first part of exercise 10.1 by using the quadratic formula. So this is the question number 2 first part. Says the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So this question I have already solved in my previous videos. If you have not watched that video, please find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So let us solve this problem again and form a quadratic equation, and then we have to use the quadratic formula to find the roots of obtained quadratic equation. So they are saying us that there is rectangular plot whose area is given as 528 meters square if the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. This is the breadth and this is the length of the plot. If we assume the breadth to be x meters, they are saying the length is 1 more than twice its breadth. How much is breadth? It is x. So the length will be 1 plus 2x and breadth is x meters. Since it is a rectangular plot, then area is given by length into breadth. So we have to substitute the values of length, breadth and area and form a quadratic equation. So first of all, let us assume let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x meters. So what is the length? Length is 1 more than twice its breadth, that is 1 plus 2x meters. And what have they given in the question? Given is the area of the rectangular plot, which is 528 meter square. So let us substitute in the formula of area. So area is equal to length into breadth. So area is 528 and length is 1 plus 2x and breadth is x. So let us open the brackets here. So we will get 528 is equal to x into 1 is x plus 2x into x is 2x square. So let us send this 528 to the right hand side, and also let us write the higher order degree term first. So 2x square plus x, 528 goes to the right hand side, we are going to get minus 528 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Now for this quadratic equation we have to find out the roots by using the quadratic formula. So a standard form of a quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and the constant is c. So now let us write down the quadratic formula first. The quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have to substitute the a, b and c value and find the roots here. So the coefficient of x square is a, that is equal to 2. The coefficient of x is equal to b, that is nothing but 1. Constant c is minus 528. Comparing with the standard form of the quadratic equation and the obtained quadratic equation, we get a, b and c values. Now let us substitute these values in the formula. So x is equal to, what is minus b? B is 1, so minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. B square is here 1, so 1 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is minus 528 divided by 2 into a. A is again 2. So let us simplify this equation now. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of, what is 1 square is 1, minus 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 into minus 528. So minus into minus will become plus. So let us multiply 528 into 8. So 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, plus 6 is 22. 5 8s are 40, plus 2 it is 42. So it is 4 2 2 4, and in the denominator we have 2 into 2, that is 4. So we will get x is equal to minus plus or minus square root of, adding 4 to 2 4 plus 1, we will get 4225 divided by 4. Let us factorize this 4225 and find out the factors so that we can remove the square root term. So let us factorize 4225. It goes in the table 5 because the last number is multiple of 5. So 5 8s are 40, 2 is carry, again 5 4s are 20, again 2 will be carry, 5 5s are 25. So again 5 1s are 5, 3 carry, 5 6s are 30, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45. So 169 is divisible by number 13. So 13 13s are 169, 13 1s are. So let us write down the factors of 4225 here. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 into 5 into 13 into 13 divided by 4. So here we can see that there is the pairing of two numbers, 5 and 5 and 13 and 13. So if there is pairing of the two same numbers, then they come out of the square root. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 5 into 13 divided by 4. Now what is 5 into 13? Minus 1 plus or minus 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 1s are 5, plus 1 it is 6. So it is 65 divided by 4. Now we are going to take two roots, one with plus sign and another with minus sign. X is equal to minus 1 plus 65 divided by 4, and x is equal to minus 1 minus 65 divided by 4. So when it is minus 1 plus 65, we have to subtract with greater number sign, that is plus 64 divided by 4, and x is equal to, we have to add here with minus sign, minus 66 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 6s are 24. So we got x is equal to 16, and here 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 3s are. So here x is equal to minus 33 divided by 2. So we got two roots, x is equal to 16 and x is equal to minus 33 divided by 2. But here we have assumed what is x? X to be the breadth of a rectangular plot. Since x cannot be negative, here x is a dimension, right? So x cannot be negative. So the breadth of the plot is, we are going to take the positive value, that is 16 meters. So therefore let us write down, since x cannot be negative as it is a dimension. Dimension is nothing but a measuring quantity. Okay, here we are measuring the breadth of the rectangular plot, which cannot be in negative terms. Like we cannot see the breadth of a plot to be minus 2 meters or minus 3 meters. So it has to be a positive counting number. So it should be plus 2 meters or 3 meters. So therefore we are not taking the x value equal to minus 33 by 2, since it is negative. So x cannot be negative as it is a dimension. Therefore the breadth of the plot x is equal to 16, and therefore the breadth is equal to 16. Okay, so now what will be the length? Is what we have taken, length is 1 plus 2x meters, right? So that will be 1 plus 2 into 16. So that will be 1 plus 16 2s are 32. Therefore we have length is equal to 33 meters. Okay, so we got breadth is equal to 16 meters and length is 33 meters. So this is how we solve this example number 10. If you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving example number 11 from chapter 10 quadratic equation. So till then, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.